Łukasz Brzezinski will be fighting Walker's brother Walter, and Walter is undefeated, the clean monster 11-0. 26 years of age, 6'6", fighting out of Moscow, Russia. This guy destroyed majority of the opponents, like Alex Nicholson, Ramadan Muhammad, Bunio Dakulov, Casio de Oliveira. This guy is so powerful, so brutal. A finisher. And Brzezinski lost to Martin Budaj, Carl Williams, Valdo Cortez Acosta. And he knows to fight. He used to be a very, very good, but upon his arrival into the UFC, something has changed, and his victory over Dylan Potter was overturned to no contest, but he got a chance, and Brzezinski is in a problem. If he loses now, he's done. But I think Brzezinski has never been UFC level. They gave him too much. He didn't deserve it, and we've seen that. Like, Walker is a knockout artist. I believe Walker to win inside the distance via KO TKO. And yeah, I'm going to say Walker to win, but no distance my call.